Now, I cordially invite the announcer to address the gathering.
Mr. Manmeet Chatterjee and invited guest. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Maybe I'm the happiest person here to address you all. Because my students are performing in a marvelous manner. But we have to remember one thing, the gigantic part of your success must go to our Honorable Chief Guest, Mrs. Sevandi Chatterjee. Because I have learned from her a lot. And I feel more confident after I have learned from her. My dear children, I have learned from her in two ways. I have learned from her not only when she was teaching, but also when she was not teaching. Because she knows not only the art of teaching, but also the art of life, the art of living. My dear children, there are very few things I've been fortunate and I'm proud of my life. Dear madam, I've been fortunate to be a student of yours, and more than that, I'm proud to be a student of yours. Because you have done so much to us, and we can do so much to my dear children. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I have seen lots of gentlemen, and I have seen lots of talented people, but unfortunately I haven't seen lots of talented gentlemen. However, sitting here today, there are some talented gentlemen. Kalum sir, Mr. Kalum Ruparatna, really a talented gentleman. And of course, children, you must remember one thing. You feel more confident today. I feel you are much better than me, and you will be. But you remember one thing, that Kalum sir has done so much to you all. Do you know that when he was going through his first time, he was trying to give you all the best time. So keep in mind what he has done for you all. Never mind you forget what I do to you, because it was so difficult that time. And my dear children, when I was doing GSC education, everyone had a challenge, but I had two challenges. We had an assignment to complete within 2 weeks, but it was okay for everyone, we managed, but I had another challenge after completing the assignment. To complete the first page, there we had to write our name and also the name of the assignment. I was afraid of one thing. I always thought somebody would copy my girls-like beautiful handwriting. So I went to this particular teacher. She did it for me. And but really, I found a talent. When we were doing presentations, I was a bit surprised, and I found her out of the rest like she was the best. So it was like that. I think a very young, talented teacher who could do a lot. Alright children, talking about this program. I never say this is a good course for you because this is excellent for you. I never say this is a good opportunity for you because this is a golden opportunity for you. Why do I say so? As you all know, you get this valuable certificate from recognized, renowned Cambridge University. And also, you develop your lots of valuable talents. You learn how to address public or public speaking. You learn how to do announcing. And more than that, you learn how to bear up victory and defeat. Overall, I'm sure you will be a balanced individual in the future. What do you want more? What do your parents want than that? My dear children, in Sri Lanka, there are some vacancies for leaders. There are some vacancies for honest, intelligent, creative, as well as far-sighted leaders. I know a set of students who can fill these vacancies in the future. And I'm sure they are sitting in, some of them are sitting in front of me here today. Dear children, I'll show you some bunch of keys. This bunch of keys, it's like your paper qualifications. You pass O-level and then A-level, maybe you get a degree. Then, when you have a degree, when you have all these qualifications, definitely in the future you can open some doors for you. Along with that, if you develop your English like this, you can open some more doors in the future. But I'd like to tell you that if you have paper qualifications and if you develop your English and as well as if you develop your talents and skills like this, my dear children, there will be lots of people waiting for you to open doors for you. What do you want to happen in your future? The choice is yours. Thank you.